my friends. Back for another one. So I said I was going bigger. I am working my way up, I think, to a 3x3 foot piece. But for now, I think I'm just gonna do this one. I think I'm gonna use a 20x24, maybe an 18x24. But I wanna do the same colors that I did on the circular Dutch pour that had the yellow and the fluorescent pink. So I wanted to do that. I'm switching out to gold this time, kind of to go with the yellow, but I'm gonna do it kind of spread out along the canvas and I wanna have fun with this one. All right, guys, how are you doing? I hope everybody's all right, everybody's staying safe. I said I wanted to go bigger with a similar color palette on this one, and I'm gonna not puddle the paint this time. I'm going to kind of wrap the colors around each other. So I really liked this pink. Actually, ooh, I don't know. Maybe I have too light, too dark, and gold this time. So maybe I'll start with, and I don't actually like it when it's just a straight line like this. So I think what I'm gonna do is blow the colors over this way and back out this way, over this way and back out that way to kind of cover the canvas like this. So now I've got to be careful. I think I'm going to come in with blue next. This is actually the hard part, is trying to get it around it and not on it, but really close to it. There we go, that worked out. It's gonna spread out because, you know, before we just do a puddle here. So it's gonna spread out some. And then the gold I'll do all the way through it. Oh Lord, I can't talk to you and pour at the same time. But you guys know this already. You watch me, you know this. You accept me for who I am, right? Then I'm gonna do, so I left the blue and the yellow separated by the pink, because I didn't want to get too much green out of this. Oh, that neon pink or that hot pink. And then the gold, I think I'll come through all the way through and kind of drizzle over. I used copper last time, and while it was okay, it was a little dark, and I wanted this to kind of stay with the yellows and the brights. And I think I'll follow it back up with one more. I really liked the pink, so I'm gonna follow it up with one more of the pink. And let's see if I can get that kind of flame look, or if that was just like a coincidence the last time. Okay, all right. Let me pour my white around. And then because I'm gonna blow up this way and down this way, I'm gonna add just a little bit of white through there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of white through there. Okay, torch this baby. The gold and the Prussian blue, and I'll list all the colors down below so you guys don't have to worry about it. But the gold and the Prussian blue always make this beautiful, like, dark, deep phthalo aqua metallic color. It's gorgeous. All right, so what did I say? I'm gonna blow this way, actually, first with the white, and then blow it back out. And then this one, I'm gonna blow this way and blow it back out. Okay, all right. Let's see if I can remember that. Oops, dipped into the canvas there. I guess I'll do the whole thing first. I'm gonna get a little bit more white right here to go over. I am gonna blow over with my angle this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna blow this out. Just a little bit that way. Oh, I love that bright pop right there. I'm gonna blow this one back this way. Oh, yes. Yes. Wow, that is my favorite corner right there. Where did that come from? I'll go a little bit down here. I don't like how hard those lines were right there. That's just white up there, so I'm going to blow a little bit of that off because I don't want it to get too lumpy. Okay, so now I'm going to evaluate. There's this one spot that I can see the kind of stuff that I poured on there, and I don't necessarily care for that. So I am going to blow probably just one time this way a little bit more. The only thing I don't like is where, and that was my mistake just now because I should have left that part alone, but I don't like where those two colors met right there. I wanted that space to be. So that's all you got to do to fix that. And then I'm just going to pour some more. Always have more white, and don't drop your stick in the paint. And then I'm just going to fill that little space in. And then I'll just blow that out. Okay, love the color combination. Just mixing that right back there in. So I may blow just a little bit more. I don't know, because I really kind of like this one the way that it is. I still ended up getting that just kind of straight down. I wanted more of like a this way and this way. I'll have to try that again. That was just my blowing technique was off there. But I will show you because I really do. I like, it's really, really pretty. It's really, really fun. All right, let me show you. All right, so you guys know me. I fiddled a little bit. I really wanted a couple more wispy edges along there. I actually really like, I love the drips down the side. That neon pink is so bright. But here are some of like the lacing and the details. I'll show you my favorite corner in a second. I want to get through all these super cool details. So I will say, oh, that's my favorite corner. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I am getting that effect of blowing the colors across each other, but because I blew so crazy like, you can't really tell as much. It really just kind of looks like a Dutch pour. So I think maybe on the circular canvas, it's a little bit more noticeable. But I don't have all those puddles of paint in the middle where I didn't blow. So I don't know. I may keep doing them this way. I really like this effect. And like I said, I got it right there where it looks like it's kind of firing out, right there, right there. So I do. I like this. I like the I get so excited about painting. I don't know if you guys do, but I do. All right, let me see how this one dries and I will show you the dried result. So while this piece was drying, and that neon pink really is neon pink, my camera's picking it up kind of like really fluorescent. It's not quite this bright, but I'm outside, so but I really like it this way. I originally had it laying on its side and I just like it so much better this way. But here are the details. And the corners are my favorite. But I really like the overall piece. I think it's very pretty. And it is super bright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.